traffic, Cessna 5904, Papa Foxtrot. It's going to be taxiing from the ramp to runway 21, Asheboro traffic.
Asheboro traffic, Sky 7321 Golf on a 10-mile final, doing the RNAV 21, circling to land with runway 321 Golf.
Well, welcome aboard, everybody. Well, and welcome back. So today we're flying with a good flying friend of mine, Jonathan. He's in the 150 that's right behind us here. And he flew into the Asheboro Airport this morning. We went out and got some food. And the idea was to go and check out a grass runway that we were going to land at. But the winds have picked up a little bit, direct crosswinds to an unfamiliar airport on a grass strip that I've never landed on before, and a narrower runway. So just a bunch of factors that stacked up and made us decided to go somewhere else. So we're going to go out to Raleigh Executive Airport, grab a coffee, go check out Willis, and just enjoy this beautiful day. So we can get up here and do our run up, and then we'll get on our way. Asheboro traffic, Cessna 5904, Papa Foxtrot, departing runway 21 for a left crosswind departure to the east, Asheboro. Nobody coming. All right.
Cross Central White 6. Clear and solo, David. Davis County traffic, Road Track 355. It's about an 8-mile final on the RNAV 24, Circle 6, Davis.
All right, 21, 21, 21. Heels to the floor.
Davis traffic, Road Track 244, mile northwest of the field. We're going to be looking for that student solo and following in behind them, runway 6.
All right, we've got good RPM. T's and P's are in the green. Airspeed's coming alive. There's 60.
Davidson County.
Now.
Thanks. Davidson County.
Asheboro traffic, Sky 21 Golf. We're going to be departing to the west and climbing to 3000, Asheboro.
I understand 21 and
Asheboro traffic, Cessna 8331 Golf departing 21, Asheboro. Davidson County traffic 46238, turning final runway 6, Davidson. Davidson County for traffic 244, join them left downwind, traffic in sight, runway 6. Traffic Cessna 1737. Davidson County traffic, track 244, left downwind runway 6. We have the traffic in sight, and a downwind.
Yeehaw! Holy crap!
Cessna 17375, final 34, Anthony County.
Asheboro traffic 5904, Papa Foxtrot, turn left crosswind for crosswind departure to the east. Asheboro traffic.
Davidson County traffic, Road Track 290, turning final for runway 6. This will be a touch and go.
Davidson County, Skyhawk 338, turning left crosswind for runway 6, Davidson.
Yeehaw, buddy.
Davidson County traffic, Cessna 1100, Quebec. We got that traffic on final slate, turning left base, runway 6, student solo. County traffic here, check 244. We are extending our downwind for the fifth solo. Davidson County.
Aviation. Ashboro traffic, Cessna 31 Golf turning left crosswind departing the area to the east, Ashboro.
Circle 6, Davidson.
Ashboro traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot's 2 miles southeast of the airfield, departing the area to the east, 2,500 climbing 3,000. Last call, Ashboro.
Davidson County traffic crew check 290 on the go for runway 6, Davidson County.
Holy crap! Jonathan, you up?
I'm up, and it's mighty rough.
You want to climb higher so we can get over this, or what do you want to do?
I'm still climbing. I'm at 25 right now. Get away from these hills and let's see if it smooths out any. It's bad where I'm at.
Yeah, I'm at 32, and it's still pretty bumpy up here.
All right, let's keep climbing. It looks like you're just ahead of me, above me to my right at about 2 o'clock.
All right, A-Firm, I got you on the scope.
All right, Roger.
Whoa, oh, shit. Brother, I don't know how much I'm digging this one.
Yeah, I'm with you. It seems a little better.
Yeah, just a little bit. Every once in a while I hit a good hard bump, though.
Yeah, me too.
Kind of crazy getting 1,000 foot a minute climb and you ain't even trying.
That's what I was seeing just a second ago.
Holy shnikes. This is definitely one of those days where it looks beautiful out, but man, up here is just ain't that pretty. Well, the idea was to do a very loose formation, but with all this turbulence, ooh, not a good idea. So, like I said, we're going to go down here and try to get some coffee. Although I don't know if I need the caffeine. My nerves are jacked up enough as it is.
Raleigh Executive Jet Port. Automated weather observation 172-9er. Zulu weather wind 020 at 3. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point -1. Altimeter 3027.
Please do not park planes in red dots.
Raleigh Jet traffic 9845 kilo, left downwind, runway 03. Raleigh Jet.
Raleigh exact Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot 10 miles to the west, setting up to enter the 45 left downwind entry, runway 3. We're currently 3,500.
Raleigh exact 4640 Bravo's on the go, close traffic, runway 3. Raleigh check.
Raleigh exact 594 Papa Foxtrot's on the 45 left downwind entry for runway 3. Raleigh exact. We'll be watching for that departing traffic.
Raleigh exact 9845 kilo, turning final, runway 03.
Raleigh Executive Cessna 8331 Golf, 3 miles to the west, 2,200, be setting up NRA left downwind 03, Raleigh.
Raleigh exact 594, Papa Foxtrot now on the left downwind midfield for runway 3. Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact November 4640 Bravo, turning left downwind on runway 3. Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact 594, Papa Foxtrot turn left base, runway 3 full stop. Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact, Skyhawk 972.
Oh, shit!
On 3, number 2 here, in position. Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact November 4640 Bravo, turning left base on runway 3. Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact 594, Papa Foxtrot turn final, runway 3 full stop. Raleigh exact.
Close traffic, Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact 40 Bravo is on an extended base out here for the traffic that just turned final. Raleigh exact. Traffic on final, you guys gonna be full stop or touch and go?
4 Papa Foxtrot on final, full stop.
Raleigh executive Cessna 8331 Golf, turning left base 03, Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exact radio check.
Loud and clear.
Thank you.
Raleigh executive Cessna 31 Golf, turning final, full stop 03, Raleigh exact.
Raleigh exec Ultra 82836, downwind, runway 3, Raleigh exec.
Oh, ugly, ugly, but down okay. Raleigh exact 594, Papa Foxtrot, clear the active at Alpha 4. Woo!
Raleigh executive Cessna 8331 Golf, short final 03, full stop, Raleigh.
Raleigh exact 594, Papa Foxtrot's taxiing Alpha 4 to parking. Raleigh exact.
40 Bravo's on the go, close traffic, runway 3, Raleigh exact.
Well, holy shnikes, that was an adventure. And that camera got off on me. What the heck? What the heck?
Raleigh exec Ultra 82836, left base for runway 3, Raleigh exec.
Well, no telling if that camera got any of the flight. So, oh, that kind of sucks. But here we are. That was a flight. Not really looking forward to the one flight back. But, yeah, you fly out here, you got to fly back. So anyways, there's Jonathan coming in. Like his was prettier than mine. My landing was awful.
Raleigh exec Ultra 82836, final for runway 3, Raleigh exec.
Anyways, we're going to go up here and see if we can bug Willis a little bit. And gather our nerves before going back up again.
Hawk 972 Whiskey Whiskey departing runway 3, closed pattern, Raleigh exact.
All right, let's get out of here and let the hands quit shaking. What do you say? We'll catch back up with you in a bit. After a short stop at the FBO for a coffee, we walked down to Willis's hangar for a brief visit. We hung out there for a while and checked out some of the aircraft he's working on. This Cherokee 6 is getting a new interior, and Willis is installing some new avionics. This one's pretty torn apart at the moment. Well, before we knew it, it was time to get back up in the air and fight that turbulence.
Cessna 4640 Bravo, turning 2 mile final, runway 3, touching over like that.
I know I didn't do much recording there at Willis's, as usual, but the brief visit while we gathered our nerves and got ready to head back out. Looks like winds have calmed down a little bit, and let's hope the turbulence has as well. We will see. Got Jonathan over there. He just got done checking his fuel.
Exact Cessna 40 Golf, clear at 3, taxi to the T hangars.
And we're going to get up here and do our run-ups.
Traffic, Cessna 904.
And get on out of here.
Over midfield, center, downwind, runway 3.
All right, do our run up. Brakes are set. Fuel is on. Trim set for takeoff. Flight controls out.
Well, GoPros did what GoPros do and randomly cut off. So, unfortunately, I didn't get the entire flight back. However, I did get the landing back at Asheboro. Even though we didn't get some grass landings in, I'm glad we had a chance to fly. Besides, it just gives us a reason to fly together again soon. I know that this flight wasn't as peaceful and relaxing as I had hoped, but I believe it was a flight I needed. As I've been told many times before, you don't get used to the bumps unless you fly in them. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was definitely a out of my comfort zone day of flying. It's good for me though. You don't get used to the turbulence unless you fly in it some. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And sorry I haven't put out a video in a bit, but between weather and scheduling, things just haven't worked for me to go up much here lately. As we're coming into the spring and summer, I hope to get a bit more flying in and definitely take you guys along with me. So until next time, y'all fly good. Thanks for watching.